you mentioned some repurposed drugs and so forth for use with cancer that are not generally known.
Yeah, so there is a group called REDO, which looks at repurposed drugs for the use of cancer. So they list about 250 different drugs, believe it or not, that have shown, in experimental models to have activity against cancer cells. In the book or monograph that I wrote, I reduced them down to the 30 that I thought was the most effective. And so there are already good studies showing that both in a test tube, in a animal model, as well as in patients, that it has anti-cancer activity. And there's a list of these. So vitamin D is number one, but then we have melatonin, we have green tea. The anti-diabetic medication metformin actually is a very powerful anti-cancer drug. And then we have the antiparasitic drugs. There's mebendazole, ivermectin, that have activity against cancer cells.
I was going to say the horse dewormer.
So believe it or not, the horse dewormer is very effective against certain cancers. And so we know of cases of patients who had solid tumors who were given the horse dewormer and together with some other drugs. So, as I said, it's not one magical drug. It's a combination approach. But we're given a regimen which included the horse dewormer and the cancer disappeared.